Well, here's an important construction. So yes, we're using a compass and a straight edge, and we're going to construct a parallel line. Now, well, this is really important. This is what makes Euclidean geometry Euclidean. Now, again, this may be Euclid's fifth parallel postulate, but the way we say it is really John Playfair's axiom. Now, well, you'll get more about that in class. And really, we're saying for any line L and any point P not on L, saying we're in a plane, there's exactly one line parallel to L passing through P. Yeah, well, all right, let's just do it. We'll talk about that in class. So I gave you a point there. I gave you a point not on the line, and I gave you a point that I wanted your transversal to go through. Well, then just draw it. Take your Sammy straight edge and go ahead. Wah! Draw that. Draw that transversal. You're going to sketch that out there. And what you are doing, notice that you're going to go well above the P. I left you room on the paper up there. You'll see why. Your compass swings are going to need that room. So take your compass, and we're going to start with the needle on the A, right? Now, a little bit of art here. Not too small, not too big, just right. On your papers, maybe when you swing it, it's going to be a little more than half the distance AP. Okay, I'll show you what I mean there. So let's just give it a little swing, right, like this. Like this. Ready? Oh yeah, that's a swing right there. Y'all got that? Nice. Now that's a random swing. It didn't have to match anything. I didn't line it up to anything. Nothing. So now we're going to pick up our compass, our rigid compass. Euclid wouldn't like that part so much. And we're going to put the needle on the P. See, so we picked it up, then we dragged it from A to P. And again, a locking compass. So now we're going to give this compass a swing. And we're going to swing it like this. We're repeating that arc. So I've used the same color, orange in this case. Now, do the two arcs have to intersect? Nah. Can they? Yeah, they could, but they don't have to. That's not where the action is. All I need there is two arcs that are the same. And you can see that. I've got the two arcs centered on A and P. How far did I go? Well, far enough where I anticipate that parallel line to be. So now, I have generated three intersections. I'm going to name them. You can just mark them, for instruction. I'm going to call this one D on the transversal. This one's G on line L. And I've got C up here. So here we go. Take your compass again and, you're going to have to gap it. I like that word. See, it's like you're going to take your compass and you're going to set it. You're going to set it like this so that it spans the distance from D to G. Got that? Of course you do. And now you're going to swing that arc. See, that's a little dynamic check. You're putting it from D to G. You're making sure the pencil actually goes through. Nice check. See that the swing goes through that point G. That's how we gap our compasses. So now, let's do this. Let's pick up that compass, and again, our locking compass. We're going to put the needle on the C this time, right? And we're going to swing this compass around. And we're going to swing it like this. Very good. See, that's our fourth compass swing, centered on C, and we're repeating the arc. We're repeating the arc that we gapped here from D to G. And what that's going to give us is exactly one intersection right there. Right there. You see that? Where the orange and the magenta meet. And then you're going to take your little Sammy straight edge and you're going to slide it. You're going to line it up so it passes through P in that point you just constructed. And then you're going to draw, ta-da! You've done it. You have constructed a parallel line. Congratulations. Now, let's see, make sure your compass swings are visible. Don't erase them. Don't erase them. That's beautiful.